and welcome to GT Railfan Productions. It is May 31st, 2018, and here we are stationed in the old Cranesville yard on the Bessemer Lake Erie Railroad in Cranesville, Pennsylvania. Here we have the Girard Local with Canadian National 5291 Solo bringing up a car with rails on it for the crane to switch around. And now here we have Canadian National 5291 pulling up onto the closest track to us, which would make it a two-train meet with the crane pulling out of the yard and having 5291 drop this car that it bring into the yard. And here we have the crane backing up to pick up the car that CN 5291 brought in. And 3 p.m. right on the dot. Here we have CN 5291 headed north up to CE and then eventually up to Girard to switch EMSCO. And here's the crane pulling forward, headed south, and backing up and tying down for the day.
That's it? That's all you're switching?
Yep.
Wow.
3 o'clock is quit time.
Oh, really? Nice.
As you heard, one of the crews working on site behind me said it's quitting time. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope the crews make it safely to their homes, since they're just getting off of work. And we thank you for watching GT Railfan Productions. Guys, I'd really appreciate if we could get this channel up to 500 subscribers. So that means you need to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and go check out these other videos.